Whew. Hey everybody, here we are. We're going up the Horse Spring Campground. We're on Coxey Truck Trail right now. Yeah, we're at 4,400 foot elevation right here. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I want to say it's about 78 degrees, 80 degrees. It's going to be pretty fun. Brought a little treat for you to look at. So let's do this. Getting a little interesting. That was pretty easy. That wasn't too bad, was it? Look at these big old rocks. Not too washed out. Definitely fun. Definitely some good sections, beautiful views. Sorry, Quill. Little bit of water changed the whole trail. This was a river, as you can tell. Lots of three-wheel action with the ruts and big boulders. Yeah, there's a slight chance of monsoon this afternoon. Very little. That's why I picked today. It's been hard to get out. Little bouncy, little sandy. Got some juniper pines, a little rocky. It's like a riverbed, but it's on the side of a hill. Just turning off 3N14, continues up to Big Bear, actually Fawnskin. This one goes to Lucerne Valley. This one will take you down Grapevine Canyon. 4N16, wait a second. Man, nice rack. Okay folks, I'll leave this on and we'll buzz up here and see what we can do. All right, let's try it. New view. I'm pretty sure Grapevine Canyon's pretty treacherous. That was, even in nice conditions, it was a little gnarly. Can't imagine it being washed out. This is how you get the White Mountain. Third gear, Bob. It's almost 10 a.m. We go up the road a little bit. explore. Have breakfast. Oh, you know me. Bring on the Cheerios. Hold on, folks. No belt buckles. Stay in the rut. Get it too. Look at this. Too weird. Getting cloudier, folks. This is 3N17. Just trying to find a campsite up here. This road is rated, I guess, hard, but I'm guessing that's way up top. It's all hard for a bus. Have any spots I could turn around, so I gotta get out and walk it a little bit. This is getting pretty good right here. Looks like I have a campsite right here. Yeah. I'm in a rut here. Yeah, that's the problem. A couple more feet and I'll be out of the rut. A little scary. Got this. It's gonna spin pretty soon. Get out, take a look, and see what we got. Oh, you're not going up over that. Yeah. Not good, not good. Need a nice e-brake. Yeah. little bit. There we go. Backwards a little bit. Oh, there we go. Cleared it. Whew. Stuffed me right in a tree. Yeah. Oh well, we tried. We tried. Whew. No luck on this remote camp spot. The angles are crazy. Hang on, folks. So off to Horse Springs I go. Hey y'all, enjoy the drone footage. I'll get us out. Little bouncy, little sandy. Half this road is washed out. Amazing terrain, the beauty. Whoop section. Oh man, White Mountain owned me. This is gnarly. Don't try this at home, folks. The views. Oh my. Another weird angle. Nasty. Almost there. Droney! Trees. Everything else is bonus. That was crazy. Crazy. That's freaking hot. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah. Whew, dude. Oh. Oh my God. That was crazy, crazy, crazy. It's getting darker over there. I think we're okay. We're looking good over here, folks. We're going camping. Made it to Horse Spring Campground. I'll give you a little details in a second. Pretty washed out everywhere. And look, we're starting to get some clouds here. I'll turn this around and you can take a look. Yeah, we're starting to get some clouds. San Bernardino National Forest, Horse Springs Campground. It is a fee site. $10 a site. I'll pick a high spot and call it a day. Anywho. Cut it sharp, cut it sharp, cut it sharp, cut it sharp. Right. Good enough. High ground. We're on the high ground. Side we're gonna put the shade on. Time for a beer. Holy cats. That was crazy. That was crazy. Hey everybody, it's time for lunch. Getting hungry. Let's do it. You're on the 7. Raw and ugly. I love it. We're gonna do gas station sushi. Alright. We have some soy sauce because they never give you enough. We'll throw some wasabi out there. Lunch, sushi, gas station. Even their wasabi's not this green. It's like chartreuse. Looks like trout bait. We'll sell it. Right? Chip, thank you. Everybody knows. How am I gonna fit 10 minutes of eating sushi into a 10-minute video? I don't know. Figure it out. Hear that? It's starting to rain. Got some Carne Asada going on. Round one. Woo, my mouth is on fire. Tapping out, people. Clean my cup. I'm ready to go. Let's check the temp. Always on the back bulkhead temp is 60 degrees even. Nice. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Cheers, folks. Good morning. Finally, I took my first sip. Oh, what a night's sleep. Gosh. The crickets up here last night were just, there was millions, I guess. They were just. Hey everybody, hope you enjoyed Horse Spring Campground. That was a fun adventure. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Deer up there. Little buddy, find your family. There's like 8 of them just ran across the road. See them all right there?